nakatakdang maglunsad ang palasyo sa Enero ng tinatawag nilang Open Data. Ayon kay Lacerda, inisyatibo ito ng gobyerno para makita ng publiko ang mga ginagawa ng pamahalaan sa pamamagitan ng website. Sinabi ng kalihim na maaari ditong makakuha ng impormasyon ng publiko habang nakasalang pa sa Kongreso ang Freedom of Information Bill.
We have over 350 data sets that we're going to upload before government. And this goes hand in hand with transparency and accountability. Ang FOI is driven by the public. Open data is government-driven, it's supply-driven. We're going to give you the data that you may not be interested, but for instance, how many schools are there in your municipality? How many roads have been finished? Ito po, kailangan po nating ilatag ito. That goes hand in hand with your concerns of how the budget is being used.